Okay, I would like to actually look at the affidavit form itself and go through it with you so that we can we can understand what it's about. So I'll share my screen where I have the document already lined up. 1 second. Here we go.
If you are directing them to the site, it's available for it. If that's it, it's available for everyone to read. They can actually go on and read it themselves.
Yeah, that's right. But I want to just go through it on the webs on the show right now. So let's start at the top and just read through it. It's actually not that long. It's only a few pages. So, we the people, affidavit of truth and lawful notice. We the understand signed being 100 living men and living women of sound mind, heart, and conscience, do solemnly affirm, declare, and testify the following universal truths. This affidavit is made under full personal and unlimited liability and a penalty of perjury, and without ill will, vexation, or frivolity. We are a representative body of living souls who stand under supreme authority of natural law, the immutable standard of truth, justice, and moral right, expressed and upheld through the common law courts, Great Britain and international, and as members of the Cruinn community. We issue this affidavit of truth and lawful notice to all individuals, corporations, governments, and agencies, public, private, or statutory, declaring that we are living men and living women, not corporate entities, not legal fictions, and not artificial persons. We are not subject to systems of man-made law that conflict with the higher jurisdiction of natural and the divine law, based on our first principles. We reject all false, unlawful claims and authority over our body, mind, labor, property, and children, especially those based on presumption, coercion, or deceit through commercial statutory government. Now, what does all that preamble do?
It basically confirms that you are living. You're not a person, you're not a corporation, you're not in their system. You're notifying all agencies, that's literally everyone in the statutory world, of your position. You're making the declaration there, and you're not subject to their man-made law. It's basically stating that that conflicts with a higher jurisdiction of natural and divine law. And again, it's stated quite clearly that you reject basically any claims against you. That is, whether it's over your bodies, your minds, your labour, property, and even children. This is actually done through coercion as well. When they do that, that's how the state operate. But the first bit you just read is just the introduction to confirm your basic standing. So you're separating yourself from the state initially.
Right.
Don, can I ask a question?
Yes.
Can that also apply to one's parents if they're elderly and if they've made or some kind of contract with their child to take care of them in their older age? Because because I noticed that there's a problem with Adult Protective Services kidnapping elderly people and action.
Sorry for interrupting. Any individual basically says can declare that they're living. However, we state that up until 16-year-old, it's naturally accepted as universally that up until 16, they're still children, they're still learning, they're still developing. So we've said, right, well, the legal name, the fiction in involving yourself with the state, it shouldn't happen till after 16. So leave them as a child up to 16. But anyone after that can claim ownership of the legal title. However, if for some reason they don't want the title, now it can be left. But the thing is, if nobody claims it, the state will use it. But if it's your title and you're not really keen on it, you can actually gift it to someone else. You can turn around and say you can have ownership. So providing you were to turn around and say, yes, okay, I don't want it, I want to have someone else deal with it, they officially take over the legal person for you. Now that can apply to your parent.
If you put them in the trust or something.
Yeah. If the parent turns around and says, obviously, I don't want this just now, they can actually agree to that. You can get the paperwork done, whereby someone would then take over the ownership of the title.
Okay, all right.
Simplifies version of a trust, and it works.
All right, thank you. I just wanted to see if that could be extended to
Yes.
people in a vulnerable situation as well. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
okay. Thank you.